Hi, what's up? Hi, what's up? Welcome to our problem. And today we will teach you how to make the most complex breakfast of all time. Our cooks needed many years to practice and improvement to make the dish to be made and prepared in this way. We have the preparation: bread with ham and cheese, delicious in my opinion, and also a chocolate to accompany all of this.
Hi! So for my part of the breakfast recipe, I'm gonna be doing bread and butter. Such a complicated recipe. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is to pick up the ingredients that are bread and butter. Let's go. It doesn't have to be a sandwich. If you want, you can do it with just one slice. So it's just bread and butter, and it's not a sandwich. Look at how awesome it is to make this. Watch closely, because it's really complicated to do this recipe. It really is. Like I've never been doing anything harder than this.
I'm going to make bread with ham and cheese. First, you need to take a bread and you put butter so it doesn't dry out like that. Add a slice of ham and 2 slices of cheese. Place the snack in the sandwich maker and leave until the point of preference. Now your snack is ready.
So now, let's make a delicious story. First, we take the milk and put in a glass.
This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come.
Then we put the story in a glass. And mix it well. With all the steps done, enjoy your delicious food.
This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned how to make these delicious recipes with our best international chef.